Hey everybody, David R. Becker here with Becker Art. Today I want to talk to you about this website that I came across from Facebook, and it's the Getty Museum, and about the Getty Museum is using all their work and they're letting it be royalty free. And so you're allowed to use their images for your artwork or anything, basically. And I saw in their Facebook ad they had some people make, paintings or use their paintings on like clothing and cups of coffee and it's just that basically all the paintings they have on in their collection is royalty free and you can use that. I was thinking about people who are doing collages and how they sometimes use some paintings, old photographs, and put them in their collage, and this is a place you could do that, find the images there. So if you go, this is their website, www.getty.edu, and you'll see it. There's a little thing right here. It says Explore Art. So you hit that, Explore Art. Then you go to Images for Download. So go hit the Images Download. So now you can download these images. There's also a search bar. You can search maybe an artist that you know that they may have. But look at all these the images that you can possibly take and download, and they give it pretty high res. But something I thought was very interesting that you can use all their work. And I know I a lot of times take my images from places like Pixabay, and Pexels.com and Unsplash.com. That's all royalty photographers. But this is basically a collection of art and photography and sculpture that you can use those images for anything. Use them in your art. And like I said, a lot of times collage artists or people who do collages and they take an image and then print it and put it onto their artwork. These are fine to use. So just something I wanted to let you know about, and I thought was pretty neat that a museum is letting all their artwork. And I think the reading about this is that many of the art or museums do this. So if you want to check out different museums in the country and look for downloading of some of their artwork and their pictures of their artwork, and it's all good, And so just something I want to explain to you and show you, and because I just found it very interesting, and I saw this on an ad that they put out on Facebook because I'm like friends with the Getty Museum, and so they just put it out an ad and saying, "Hey, artists, use our work," and pretty cool. So I normally do my paint along on Thursdays, and a lot of times I use many of the images, and so maybe I'll even look in here and see if I can find some images that we will paint in the new year. So until Thursday, when we're going to be painting a boat, I'll see you then. Thanks, guys. Bye bye.